And the next award, the winner of the Inca Award, Best Actor Odia, is Babushan Mohanty for Bao Butta Butta.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Rana, sir. Thank you, Karan, sir. Thank you, Inca, Producers Guild, Kalyan Jewelers. Thank you, my wife, my producer. Thank you, the people of Odisha, for constantly believing in me and helping me pushing my boundary and making me a finer artist day by day. And I'm feeling truly blessed and honored to receive this award among such dignitaries who inspired me to become an actor I am today. Thank you so much. Jai Jagannath. Love you all. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.